Draw the projection of the circle plate of negligible thickness of 50 mm diameter resting on HP on a point A on the circumference with its plane inclined at 45° to HP, and the top view of the diameter passing through the resting point makes 60° with HP. Okay, so start the circular plate of negligible thickness 50 mm diameter resting on HP. So that means you have to write the circle in below the XY line. So here, you have to take the circle command, you have to give the width 0.5, the diameter 50, and place in below the XY line. Okay. So after this, you have to check the dimension immediately, whether your given dimension is correct or not. So after this, so what you have to do? You have to write the line from the center to the circumference of the circle. Okay, so after you have to select this one and you have to equally divide using this circular pattern. Okay, give the count 8 and angle 360°, click at center, finish it. So all the lines will be equally divided. So make it the thickness 0.13 and give the naming. So left side start from A, next B, alphabetical order. Okay. So after this, so projection to the front view. Okay, so use this one, projection lines, make it 0.13. So A is over, B and H, C and G. Okay, so D and F, and finally E. Okay. Use the line command again, change the width. So split this one for the front view like this. You'll get easily endpoint for projection. Okay, so naming. Okay, A dash. So here B dash is visible. So inside the bracket, this is H dash. So this line belongs to B and H. B and H. So this is as it is same, C dash visible and G dash inside the bracket as it is D and F. Okay, D dash and F dash. Finally, E dash. Okay, so copy this one for second projection. It is inclined to 45° with respect to HP. Okay, go for move command. So choose the corner A and place it near this one, and go for rotate command directly and choose the corner A to corner E. Okay, rotate it with respect to angle 45° given in the question. Okay, after this, what you have to do? You have to project downwards for the top view. Okay, projection A here. Okay, so choose the line 0.13. Okay. See, you can choose the endpoints now easily. Projection B and H. Okay, projection G and H, C and G. Okay, as it is same. Endpoint of D and F, and finally E. Okay, so start from A and projection E, exactly lost, and go for B and C. Okay, and D already projected, E already projected, F, H and F. You can see, go for F here. Okay, where is F here? Here. F is there. Okay, and G, there is G, exactly midpoint. Okay. And H, you already projected here. Need not project. Okay, so go for trim command. Otherwise, go for naming first. Okay, this is the A, B. Alphabetical order very important. Otherwise, it will be confused. Okay, E, F, G, and finally this one is H. Okay, so use trim command for choosing endpoint. Okay, A will be stopped here, remaining trim it. So B will be this line, remaining trim this one. as C and D, E. Okay. So go for the curve command to join this one. Endpoint of A to the endpoint of B to the endpoint of C, point of D, point of E, F, G, intersection of H, and finally A, and right click. Okay. So neatly ellipse will be visible. Thickness will be 0.5 and you need a diameter. Okay, write on separate diameter of A to E. Okay. Choose one line with respect to VP. Angle is the 60 degree. Downwards means minus 60 type it. Okay, automatically here it will come minus 60. Go for move command and select this one. Choose the A and place it to the 60 degree line. Okay, and go for rotate command. Okay, so choose this one. If it's not in converter, choose the A again and go for select E and rotate it to the 60 degree line. Okay, so then project one by one for the front view. A already projected in the XY line. Go for B and project straight. C projected, D projected, and E projected. F already projected, G already projected, H already projected. Make sure of all the alphabets is projected as it is same. A. Select start from A. Where is A? XY line. Correct. Project it to the XY line. Next B. Project to the second line. Second line is B here. Project it. Okay. If it is not 90 degree means make it 90 degree. Then C. Project it to the third line here. Here also 90 degree not came me. Make it 90 degree here. C. Okay. Zoom it. Double line is there. Okay. B to the second line. Trim this one. B line. Okay. So next A, B, C, D. Choose this one properly. Make it 90 degree. D is next line here. E, you have to project this one properly. E to the last line. F, where is F? Here in this line F. Okay, G, it will be joined with F. Little bit 90 degree. Place it here. G, finally H. Okay, choose the H and it will be here. Okay, so naming here. So start from A dash. Next, this one will be B dash. Next, this is C dash, E dash, A, B, C, D dash. This one. This is E dash, F dash. This is G dash, and this one is H dash. Okay, here also you have to choose the same curve command. Start from A. Endpoint A. You didn't get me. Zoom this one. Endpoint of A to the endpoint of B to the endpoint of C to the endpoint of D, E, F, G, H. Okay, automatically this line will come here. Okay, and finally A. Right click. Okay, so neatly the ellipse will be visible. Select and make it 0.5 width. This completes the tag. Thank you.